Lab 14, configuring file and folder access. Requires server A, client B, and client C. Log into client B as the A datum administrator. Click the File Explorer button on the taskbar. In the File Explorer, create a new folder on the C drive called C Users Documents. Right-click the Documents folder and select Properties. Click the Sharing tab. And click the Advanced Sharing button. Select the Share This Folder checkbox and click the Permissions button. Ensure that everyone is highlighted and select the full control. Click OK. Click OK. Yeah, so they want you to add the full control for everyone. Then go to the Security tab, select Edit. And then click the Add button. Then enter the object name student into the names box. Click OK. If you have more than one, then it'll ask you which one. Click OK. Then click Apply. So question 1, what permissions are assigned to the student user by default? So we added the user. We didn't make any changes here, so those are the default ones. That change virtual machines to client C. And they want you to sign in as adatum/student. This is one they had us create in a previous exercise. If you haven't logged into it before, you'll see it set up the configuration. Go to File Explorer. And they want you to expand the network container. If you can't do that, you may have to turn on the network scanning or network detection. It'll give you a prompt across the top and where to turn it on. The client B. And documents. Actually, it looks like we missed a step. On client B, they wanted the documents from the Windows logs folder. So they want you to copy the contents of the Windows logs folder into the documents folder that you created on client B. So back on client C, we're looking at the documents folder remotely. Now they want you to try to delete one of the folders called CBS, or other than CBS, sorry. So don't delete this one, delete it, another one other than that one, or try to. And then question 2, why are you unable to delete the subfolder? Yeah, in our default permissions, we weren't given full control. We were only given read, execute, list folders, and read. So in order to be able to delete a file, you need more permissions. So to be able to delete the file, you either need to be the owner of the file or have full control. So back on client B in the permissions for the documents dialog box, select the student user. And select the modified checkbox. They want you to see that when you get modify, that you also get the right permission. And then click OK. And close the permissions dialog box. So now back on client C, I want you to log off. And then log in again. Since it was already denied access to a file, if you tried it again without logging off and logging back on, it would deny you again. So by logging off, then it clears that session, and then when you log on, it's a new session. So the next time it'll try to check your permissions again. We try to connect again. And try to delete the folder again. So back to client B, documents. So in the next exercise, you want to log into client B or stay on client B. Close the documents. then right-click on Drive C container and choose Properties. And then click the Quota tab. So it should look like this. And then question 3, why does the Quota tab only appear in the property sheet for volumes? So they want you to select the Enable Quota Management. Check the Deny Disk Space to Users checkbox. Click the Quotas entry. From the Quota menu, click New Quota Entry. Then in the Users dialog box, or the object names, type Student. Click OK. If you have more than one, select Student. Select the Limit Disk Space option. Specify 1 megabyte. And click OK. The student user now appears in the Quotas entries list. So now they want you to go to Client C. And browse to the Documents folder on Client B. Select all of the subfolders in so they actually want you to go to the C Users Documents folder. Which this part doesn't make sense. So to make it work, you'll have to go back to Client B and click OK to the quotas and close the quotas dialog box. Then we'll go back to Client C, try pasting the documents again, and now you get the not enough space message. And now they want you to take a screenshot of the folder access denied message. Which I have a feeling they mean there is not enough space message. So copy that and paste it into your worksheet. It's exercise 14.3, configuring auditing. Go to client B. On the start screen, type admin. In the search results, click administrative tools. Double click the local security policy. Browse to security settings, local policies, audit policy. And double click the audit account logon events. Select the failure checkbox. Clear the success checkbox and then click OK. In question 4, why in this case is the auditing of event failures more useful than the auditing of success? Then double click the audit object access. Select failure. And then select the success checkbox. And then click OK. Then take a screenshot showing the policies you configured and save them to the Lab 14 worksheet. In the File Explorer, browse to Drive C. Right-click the Windows folder and choose Properties. Click the Security tab and then click Advanced. Select the Auditing tab and click Add. Click Select a Principal and enter Administrator in the object name box. And click OK. Select the full control and click OK and click OK. you get any errors, click continue. Some services are running, so they won't be able to be edited. So when it finishes applying, you'll see the windows close. Open the administrative command prompt and type the gp update/force. It's the end of the exercise.